Head of the Kingston Western Police Division, Superintendent Howard Chambers, says officers will be increasing their presence in the coming weeks to maintain the reduction in serious crimes. He says though the division has been experiencing relative calm, the police will not be letting up. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Guns blazing, a frequently heard sound in some volatile communities across the island. Our news team received reports of shots being fired at nights in the Kingston Western Police Division. We put the issue to Superintendent Howard Chambers, head of the Kingston Western Police Division.
Yeah, I mean, we got reports of sporadic fire from time to time in the division. These are reports that we checked out. Now we have our little situation in the Rosedon area, and they are, well, the gang conflicts. And the north side of the division, the Lincoln, William Road, across the Russell Road, Rome area.
The Kingston Western Police Division is one of those usually considered difficult to police. That's due to its geographic location and lack of resources. But Superintendent Chambers says work is ongoing. He pointed specifically to some operations being carried out.
We have been meeting with citizens here so best we can bring the area to that semblance of normal.
While that's being done, it's important to note that this division is one that has recorded some of the highest level of murders and gun crimes over the last few years.
Just to caution you that in terms of this year versus last year, we are doing well. We are seeing a reduction, especially in major crimes, in comparison to last year.
And that would reflect that there's been good police work, because the kind of long-term things to give sustainable we know are not yet complete. Some work is being done in sections with the ZOSO, but there's much more work to be done to bring the entire communities to the level that we want them physically and socially.
Meanwhile, with the Christmas season fast approaching, it's expected that robberies and other serious crimes could increase. Superintendent Chambers says the police will not be letting up.
We'll be increasing the amount of patrols, especially foot patrols in the commercial area, the Coronation Market. I've seen a thrust with an increase in the number of patrols in that area. And we also, the managers of the divisions will be also be seen in those areas, giving the assurance to citizens.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.